This is my 2003 Dyna. Picked it up in the winter. Now I'm finally gonna build it. It's all stock, besides the seat. I literally just put the seat on this morning. Yeah, I got this dope ass bearing. I just took it off. It's like 3 degrees Celsius today and raining, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So today I'm gonna swap the bars. I got it on backwards. I just put it together for now, but I got some OG Moto risers and some Biltwell mid-bend bars. So Biltwell bars, they come like pre-drilled here for internal wiring, but they don't come with a hole here. So I just did this earlier this week. Yeah. Can you hold the tank up and I'm gonna fucking yank it?
Yeah.
So we got the tank off and we pulled some stuff apart. I got Canadian Ruski here, my boy, helping me with the 10 mils, you know, because 10 mils are fucked.
I'm taking advantage of all the heavy bolts.
This guy loves to work on my Harley.
I love Harley.
He's my mechanic now, actually. Come to think about it.
Free labor.
He's gonna do the wires for me. He's also gonna do the suspension for me. He's also gonna buy me cams, I heard.
Oh yeah.
I heard that.
I gotta make sure that everything runs well too, so I'll be test riding it for all summer.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Just can you do me a favor?
What's that? Get up on one?
Just don't scratch my tires. RC. So, okay. We pulled all the wires straight out of the frame. You don't gotta take your gas tank off or none of that, but I'm doing it just because.
We like extra work.
We love extra work. So we just depinned the turn signals, the left and the right controls. Yeah, so we're just depinning everything. Make sure you take lots of pictures of each number on the plugs so you know what you're doing, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Right, well, we got all the wires off and everything off the bars, so now I'm gonna pull the old bars off. It's the shiciest part of the job.
You're getting a phone call.
Oh, really?
Brianna's calling.
You ended my video. Guys, going ham on the socials. Oh, by the way, let me see the shirt.
Oh, you mean the
So, we're from Canada, for people who don't know, and we support our fellow Canadians.
Oh,
Forever
yeah.
North crew.
I like that record logo.
Sick wheelie boys in Quebec.
Oh yeah.
Inspiration for a Dyna build.
Oh yeah.
When you're changing bars, always change the bushings. You don't want to be using the shitty rubber ones that are stock. You got to go to urethane, well, polyurethane, or you can go aluminum ones.
You mean I think that's solid
Otherwise, your
steel.
bar's gonna be like. Oh.
I have no idea. Don't quote me.
Anyways, these Drag Specialties don't come with the sleeves, so I got to reuse these sleeves. Just jam it in there, nice and good. So hold on, hold on. That's uno. Who is that?
One of my boys.
Raptor's alright, but why doesn't he get a dirt bike?
He doesn't ride bikes.
Get a dirt bike. Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Okay, last year then bushing. Bro, the soft tilt, when I did soft tilt, it fucking, they were like so hard to put together. Like I used the bolt and just cranked the shit
You
out
had
of
that
it.
issue too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too.
Oh, you did too, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me grab the Loctite.
What are you doing? You're bringing Loctite from home?
Let me see.
If you need, I got some in my toolbox. I got red and blue.
Crazy blue?
Dude, rust is just free Loctite. Tell me otherwise.
Just had a round here, so. Now grab your little bullshit plate, which I should clean.
It is clean.
Screw your riser on. It's gonna be so much comfortable to ride this home after. Oh, I already know.
How many kilometers do you want it with the stock bars?
Whatever it is from Moncus place to here. It's the first time I rode this bike too.
Really?
I rode it to the shop. Never rode it. It was, bro, when I bought it, the whole road there was ice. Literally backed the U-Haul up into his garage, and I rode it straight from his garage up the ramp, into the thing. And we like tied it to the walls. We had the walls of the U-Haul go like that.
Oh my god.
And then I got COVID. This looks nice.
Dude, it actually so clean.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw on the other one, and then I'll record in the next process where we put the wires to the bars.
Good job. I don't think it looks proper. It needs to be at a 12.
Oh, that's gonna be so much better, dude. I gotta make a bracket too for the gauges before we cut. Can't forget.
Oh yeah, we can't forget the tombstone.
Drip. Actually, I guess it'll be like down here. Now that's swag. I wish it had like flames or skulls on it, you know? Just gonna keep everything loose for now. Some sketchy shit.
Dude, it's all about the sketchy shit.
You know what I like about these bars? 1 1/8, I forget what it is. It's the dirt bike bend size here, and it goes to hardly here. So like you don't need to use the shims with the, you know the OG shims they have for just 1-inch bars?
Yeah.
That stuff.
Oh, so I guess the thickness that it needs to be.
Yeah, exactly. So you need cord, shoelace, whatever.
What are those?
I know, they're wankster stuff.
We need some rentals on her.
Straight up. I gotta run this cable through the bar. Should start myself in the face. Let me do this first. Take your cord. Run it into your bar. Damn. I actually get my finger to pull this thing out. Just like that. Just tape your connectors together. And then you really just pull this through. Here's the part number, because these are sick and I didn't know about them. They're black smoke LED markers. And I like the look of not having these big things on my bike. So I'll show you these. They're super small. And I just gotta run this through. So I'm gonna tape it up with the wires and let it hang. Okay, so right now we put the new lights on and we're soldering them to the existing connector. So we just put the pins back in. There's no ground this time. I mean, not a ground, a running light. So we're just doing it like this. And then put the heat shrink on it over top, and then we're gonna heat it up, close it all up, make sure it's all proper. So now what we need to do is, I took a photo before, but you need to know which side you had coming for these wires, and basically you just plug them into the same spot that they were in. Perfect. So we're gonna electrical tape the wires all back together, and then we're gonna stuff them back into the frame there. But we just gotta plug a few more things in. All right, you ready?
Okay, the gauge is lit up. That's good.
Ready? Fuck. Well, I guess we gotta depin it and flip the sides. Oh, that's what you're supposed to do. So fuck up. It's not that serious. Like you just flip the wires.
What, it took us like 30 seconds to fix it?
Yeah. No hyperflash, right?
No.
Sick. we're gonna put this bitch back together now. Take these wires. I'm gonna disconnect this shit again. But anyways, we're just gonna stuff all the wires back down into the frame. And yeah, put all the stuff back on the little hooks on the inside of the seating area. I don't know what that part of the frame's called, but that's it. Stuff it all back in, and then we're gonna throw the gas tank back on and reconnect everything. All right, so Ruski and I are fabbing a bracket. Can you flip that over for me? So I was working on this part just to get the bolts to match up with this, and then he was doing a template for the other side, which is here. So it bolts into these OG risers, which they have 2 bolt holes. And we're gonna cut it there. Well, 1/8 above these lines. You can slide it on there and I'll show them what I'm talking about. And so just like that, so we'll have a 1/8 gap on each side. And yeah, fabrication.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we just finished everything up. I gotta figure out something to get rid of this tack, because I don't like this, but I had to run it that tall. Everything's dirty, but it's fine. We're running 1 mirror for now. Everything works.
Want to show the turn signals?
Bike looks good though. Thanks for the help, my brother.
Fuck yeah.
Let me turn this shit off. OG risers. We made a custom bracket for the Speedo. Wire the bars.
Turn signals.
We had to do a lot of extra work because putting the wires back through the frame was a bitch. So we pulled off the rear and pulled the wires through the door in the back.
Yeah, we were told we have to take out the rear tire, but we managed to do it with the fender.
Yeah, if you pull the fender off and jack the bike up a little bit, you get a shitload of room back there, so that's good. But yeah, so I guess technically today I did the seat, and then we did the bars together. We fabbed a bracket together. Super good.
Oh, the good old carbs.
Coming through this bike. We got front suspension to do, rear suspension to do, an exhaust. For now, that's it. Oh, and tail lights, rear turn signals. So that's it's going to be integrated. I have a new set of wheels for this, another set of bags. I got to change these still. These are super gay. But I feel like because they're so lame, makes it a lot cooler.
The sleeper.
Finding this Dyna, honestly, one of the most important things for me was finding stock mid controls, because they're the best. I've had the TC Bros and I hate them because they're offset by a lot. Yeah.
Dude, the bike looks fucking clean.
Super dirty, but yeah, it's pretty clean. It's actually pretty low mileage. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the build.